Hey YouTube, Jason here again with Day Trading Fearless, and welcome back to my channel, and thanks for watching. If you're brand new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also turn on the bell notification for when I release a new video. So, as always, I talk about finance, raw, anything stock market, or to do with money. So, today's question is, what is the best time frame to day trade with, or to trade period with? And this is not the easiest thing because I think it depends if you're a day trader. Now, as a day trader, you might be a scalper where you're in and out and you're looking for a couple pennies, okay? Or maybe you're looking for a move to happen within the next hour or two, or maybe it's an all-day move, okay? That's a day trader. Now, if we go into swing trading, well, now you're looking to enter a position potentially on the pullback, and you're looking for a bigger move over the next maybe day, couple days, couple weeks, or even a couple months. If you're a long-term trader, then that is going to be more of where you're looking for long-term trades, right? More based on fundamentals or maybe even monthly or yearly charts, right? And what you're looking for is a long-term trader is you're looking for a long, steady move higher where hopefully you're on the right side of the trend and the market just keeps going higher and higher if you're long. So let's go to the charts and kind of break down what the ideal, that I believe the ideal time frames are based on those three, if you're a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term trader. Okay, so here we are on the charts, right? And let's move this up here. And so right now, if you're a day trader, you're a scalper, okay? It depends what you're trading, futures or even stocks or options, if you're in and out of options really quick. The 1 minute chart is really good. And the reason for it is because you could see patterns very easily, something like this pattern right here where you actually have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, right? This whole thing's a shoulder. This is, and then your neckline, and this is called a inverse head and shoulders, and then we gap higher. Okay, but 1 minute charts are really good for finding trends. You could draw trend lines, anything like that. Maybe come over here and just start to draw trend lines from high to low and then duplicate them, right? And then now what we have is a little pattern that you can actually get long from on a pullback looking for a move back up, okay? That's a day trader. Now you might say, hey, let me buy the very first bounce off the 200 period that this is right now, okay? And that is going to be more of a scalp where maybe you're only looking for a couple pennies in Apple, okay? Or whichever stock that you're trading. Now, another good time frame is anything from the 1 minute to 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 or 15 minute, okay? If you want to look at maybe a 5 minute to see a bigger trend, are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Okay, here's another inverse head and shoulders happening right here. Okay, on the bigger time frame, okay? And so, and then we kind of break out, here's your neckline, and you could see the breakout here created, and so on, right? So even the 5 minutes really good for intraday or even scalping, okay? And then the 15 is kind of even a bigger picture, what actually is going on the bigger picture. So I would say if you're a day trader, anything from 15 minutes down is a really good gauge of understanding to look for day trades. Now, if you're swing trading, I would go anything maybe even 15. You could get away with 15 for swing trades for multiple days, okay? Even hourlies are really good, so you could see on the bigger time frame, we're actually trending higher. You could, again, go back to drawing channels using your trend lines, just connect one high to the other, and you could look, say, hey, this is my ultimate target up here, okay, at this level, which is the upper trend line. So I would say anything from 15-minute, even to dailies, okay, definitely dailies for long-term, or sorry, for swing trades, anywhere from a couple days, a day, 2, 3, 4 days, all the way to a couple months. Now, if you're looking for a long-term trade, right, you're looking for, we'll say, months, weeks, or sorry, you want to stay in a trade for 6 months to maybe a couple years, I would drop your time frame out to weekly, okay, to see what's happening on the weekly charts for the bigger picture, okay? Or let's go look at a monthly time frame. Okay, and let's maybe go back 5 years and look at weeklies, right? Or let's go back 5 years and look at a monthly chart to see what's the bigger trend on the bigger picture. So I hope that helps kind of clarify what the best time frame is to sit there and trade with, depending if you're a day trader, swing trader, or just a long-term trader. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you put them down below in the comments, and we'll get to those questions in future videos. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.